Hi, all. Welcome to another episode of Monica's Positive Vibes. Thank you so much for spreading your love through your valuable feedbacks and your comments and your suggestions that would help me improvise. As most of my well wishers and subscribers have requested me a channel in Tamil of the same content, we will be updating you the details of the same very shortly. Hope you are doing good by God's grace, both physically and mentally. This episode is all about how positive are you today assessment. What is this all about? You are going to analyze yourself. How positive are you today? And why this need arises? Before starting anything into practice, we need to analyze oneself, then find the solution for it, practice on it, get feedback of it. So, this is the general process that any of the updates need. So, are you ready to start along with me? Yes, this is the time we are going to analyze ourselves, that how happy were we today. Before getting into the questionnaire, let me clarify certain things. Please take a pen, paper, and a pad to write down your answers. Secondly, whatever options there are 4 questions available in the questionnaire. You have to note down the question number along with the option. If it is A, you can note it down as A. If it is B, you can note it down as B. If it is C, you can note it down as C. And if it is D, you can note it down as D. Whatever suits you, please note that answer. Then, what you're going to do is, there will be a score corresponding to your answer marked. For example, if the score is 30, please note it down. If the option A has a 30 score, please note that down. If the option B had say 10, please note that down. After noting down your score, please add all the 4 questions score that you have scored and wait for the analysis, where a quality will be mentioned about you for today's positive attitude. So, hope I am clear. First step, note down the answers in a paper. Then second step is note down the corresponding score for your answer, add the total, and third, note down the characteristics mentioned today for you for your positive attitude. Hope I'm clear. Let's go into the questionnaire. Hope you're clear with the questionnaire and what you were today. If your close scores were 40, you are a good fighter in willpower. That means you're a will-powered person. If your score is close to 80, it means you're a courageous person. And if your score is close to 120, you're the cutest person. however you feel outside doesn't matter. Your mind will tell you you are the cutest. If your score is close to 160, definitely you are a self-confident person. No one can beat your positive attitude or positive thinking or positive living. What did you score? Please comment in the comment section if you would like to share. Hope this episode was helpful for you to analyze yourself where your positivity stands. Do this seriously and practice the previous exercise that I've taught you to bring in positive vibration inside you. So don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe, keep supporting, like, share and comment, spread positivity, spread love. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next update on Wednesday.